Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. Today we are at the CAT launch. Now, no, it's not shoes and it's not a new digger. We're actually talking about smartphones, believe it or not. Yes, CAT, the guys who are known for their awesome equipment and their outdoor lifestyle, have actually introduced now a range of phones. These are the waterproof phones, shockproof phones. Drop them from 1.8 meters, nothing actually happens to them.
Welcome to the launch of CAT Mobile SA. Can you see this? These are for the tough guys on the construction sites that I'm talking about. That's who these phones are aimed at. Somebody who doesn't like their screen to break, somebody who wants a phone that's going to go a long way. And we've got a great lineup this afternoon because not only are we going to show you about the technology, but we're going to have some ruggedness this afternoon. If you had to do this with any other phone, would it last? Huh? Do I have a look there? Pass me the phone over there, thank you. Thank you so much. How tough is that, eh?
So we own the CAT brand, we own the Kodak brand, the JC brand, and the Ted Baker Audio brand. So we're into the Vodacom stores. By the end of this quarter, we should be into the MTN stores, we're in AutoPage, Nashua, and we're moving stock to all of those guys. We're going to launch 3 products. The first product we've got is the CAT B50. Standard feature phone, rough, tough. If you want to make a call, do an SMS, you want to drop the phone, you want to be able to use this with gloves on, this is the phone for you. Okay? Available in South Africa at the moment, different contracts and prepaid packages. First rugged Android KitKat handset, okay? B15Q. The B15 is available now. The B15Q is a refresh. We've upgraded from Jelly Bean to KitKat. We've also then doubled the RAM. So each one of these phones is shockproof 1.8 meters onto the ground. It's tested to mil spec. What mil spec actually means is it's dropped on each corner and on top of each other for 1.8 meters onto a concrete floor 20 times. If it doesn't pass that, it's not mil spec. Waterproof 1 minute for 30 minutes. As long as all your rubbers, covers, everything else is closed, it's like a submarine. It can go down, as long as the lid's closed, it's waterproof. You can actually use this with a wet finger on. And all of our Android handsets are Google certified.
They're launching a phone, I'm here for the entertainment. Very simply, what I'll do today is try and take the last 14 years of my life and tell you a couple of stories out of that time. I decided to take a bicycle that Tuesday morning, not leaving, but I made the decision that this is where I was going to go. I want to show you the route. Exactly where this little line goes is the GPS point where I cycled the bicycle every single last centimeter. And I finished at the point where I started 2 years, 2 months and 15 days later. So I don't know what you guys did for those 2 years, 2 months and 15 days. I was just cycling 34 countries of our continent.
The overall winner who's got the most accurate look today, who's going to walk away with this B50Q phone is Julie. Well done, Julie. Give yourselves a round of applause, folks. Okay, thanks very much, Rion. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go for Rion Mensah. What an inspiration he's got here.
These are the kind of phones that are going to be available from CAT. As you can see, a proper operating system. One of the biggest problems with a lot of these ruggedized phones is that it's actually a brick in a nice cover, but the phone itself is rather useless. What CAT have done is they've done something completely different. They've taken a phone that's actually a really, really good phone with a good operating system, good battery life, and just made sure that you can drop it from 1.8 meters directly onto concrete and nothing's going to happen to it. Drop it in water, not a problem. Covers are closed. But here's the kicker. Most of these other waterproof phones cannot be operated when they're wet. But this particular phone, you can. Even when your fingers are wet, you're able to swipe through and operate the phone as per normal. And that's a really, really big difference with these particular phones. Sure. All right. So we've heard the presentation. We've seen what these phones can do. The only thing that's left to do is actually test them out into the field. Well, let me go try and get a phone. Oh, whoops. Sure. Yeah. As you can see, absolutely nothing. Just a little drop. Didn't really touch that. So awesome devices. Let's see how they do out in the field. So, the CAT phones available at the moment in all the major kind of outlets. This new phone, the LTE one, is going to be available at the end of this year or from next year, around 6,000 Rand, give or take. Yeah, a really, really cool phone, and if you're into that kind of outdoor lifestyle, something to be able to check out.